What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven, Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. Markets, the global markets, everything around the economy, everything is looking more and more bullish. Fed Chair Jerome Powell has made his speech today, and the markets reacted positively to the speech that he presented. We're gonna dive deep into that in this video, guys, and as always, go into how it correlates to Tonic, and what it could mean for the future of Tonic, right? A project like Tonic that is so fundamentally sound, so strong as an altcoin, that holds up so well in the markets, will perform very well in the future because it follows the broader markets. It follows the lead market mover, Bitcoin, and when they're performing well, so will Tonic, right? We're gonna dive into it. I had a bit of a back and forth with someone in my comment section. Shout outs to you. Let me pull up some people in the comment section. Everybody that shows love. Let me give you guys some shout outs real quick. Shout outs to Shango. Let's shout outs to KD, The Truth, Kraken, Admiral, Nathaniel, and Anong. Shout outs to all of you. I had a bit of a back and forth, with my the videos that I make and what I'm talking about, right? All of them have value. Every single one of them is, correlated to, either the broader market, some news that happens in the market, some news that happens with the Crow ecosystem, some information that people may not have known about Tonic, and then I tie it back in to why I truly believe Tonic is the future of finance, right? Tonic is one of the DeFi projects that's gonna do insanely well in the future, right? And when I, for example, in these previous videos that I've made, this video right here, I cover how Deutsche Bank has been cutting employees. The banking systems are failing. In this video, I speak about how Jim Cramer was saying he's all out of crypto. He sold all his crypto, right? And this is what the mainstream media is telling you to do. Sell all your crypto. Get out of crypto now. When now is the best time to purchase Tonic or your favorite project. Now is the time. Because when the bull cycle officially takes off, from the looks of things, it's already started because there's so many projects that have been taken off already. When you have your project that you have conviction on and believe in, now is the time to get in. Don't listen to the mainstream media, the talking heads, right? Even in like a video like this, a lot of people have questioned the Tonic team. In this video right here with Tectonic Cronos holders, co-founder of Crypto.com, launched Tectonic. I break down and show you guys the deep dive in research that Gary Orr, the co-founder of Crypto.com, through his incubator project Particle B, launched Tectonic, right? He definitely had a role to play in Tonic, and I wouldn't be shocked if he still has a role to play. Now, he was the former CTO of Crypto.com, but I'm sure he's still in works with Crypto.com through Particle B, because Particle B is like a launchpad or incubation company for DeFi projects for Crypto.com, and that's why Tonic was able to get on Crypto.com and be a part of the Cronos ecosystem, VVS Finance, etc. Even more, legitimate ties to show you this project is not a joke. That's why I'm covering it so much, because it's not a joke. This is one of those projects, you could be, you don't have to be on edge with it, because it is fundamentally sound. It follows the broader markets. When the markets are bullish, trust Tonic is gonna follow. You add catalysts on top of that, exchange listings, new partnerships, new utilities, more activity from the team. It continues up further, right? In this one, we're gonna get into Jerome Powell's speech, the key takeaways from his speech, and what it could mean for the Cronos ecosystem and Tonic. Tonic right now is down 1.53% on the 24-hour. $23.9 million in market cap, 130K in 24-hour trade volume, down 40%, 30,616 people on the watch list. Having a retrace right now. That is fine. But the markets are looking more bullish, and I wouldn't be surprised we see we start to see more bullish movements from Tonic throughout this week or next week, or the upcoming weeks, guys. From Shango, my recommendation: Tectonic Fi NFT consideration. Tectonic could specialize in real land art. DeFi vaulting expected. Consider Tectonic land plates. NFT given an energetic boost to characters in the metaverse. Consider Tonic NFT as sort of a mastery. Okay, interesting stuff. So thinks we should focus. Tonic should focus on the land NFTs. A lot of projects in the NFT space, like for example, Bored Ape Yacht Club, one of the biggest NFT projects. They have the other leads, which is land for the NFT metaverse that they're building. They have land sale NFTs, so that is very interesting. That could be could be a very successful venture for Tonic, focusing more on land NFTs for the top NFT projects that eventually launch on the Cronos chain. And when we start to flesh out more of the metaverse projects on the Cronos chain, land NFT staking and land DeFi for land NFTs would fit in perfectly with Tectonic's brand recognition, because of tectonic plates shifting, tectonic earth, earth and everything like that. So nice take from Shango from his tweet right there. Right here we have key takeaways from Jerome Powell's speech today. What is next for crypto? Here are the key takeaways from his Fed Chair Powell speech. The Fed Chair said the target of bringing down inflation to 2% will remain. When asked if a 3% target was ideal, this means the policy tightening could continue until the 2% target is met. Powell said the year 2023 could see significant reduction in inflation, in an encouraging sign for the crypto market. See right here, guys, this is the type of information I'm bringing you guys, and the value I'm bringing to you guys, right? For the crypto market. What is Tonic a part of? The crypto market, the altcoin market. There's a ton of projects in the space that will never, go back to all-time highs, see new all-time highs. But there's many that will. And the ones that will are the ones that are fundamentally sound. The ones that have strong, strong holders, strong community, and, have, strong TA, guys. So Tonic is one of those projects that have super strong fundamentals, significant reduction in inflation. The only reason we got into this mess last year was because inflation, absolutely went insane and went, to the highest it's ever been in the past 40 years. So Fed Chair Powell had to raise interest rates, which then, completely tanked the markets. The DXY, the US dollar, absolutely went parabolic. And now, that inflation is starting to come down, so is the US dollar, the DXY. It is starting to tumble, so now markets are getting more and more green. And since Powell himself said a significant reduction in inflation could take place, the markets rallied, right? The market started to rally, and like the article says, it is an encouraging sign for the crypto market. However, the disinflationary process is likely to take longer than expected. Powell said the Fed will certainly raise rates more if data continues to come in stronger than expected. Inflation in the goods sector is coming down, but is still not seen in the housing sector, which puts the question of disinflation hopes in question. When asked if he thinks whether the economy is in control with inflation and the geopolitical scenario with the Ukraine war, he said the Fed predominantly takes into consideration the supply and demand chain with the United States. About the concerns of the economy facing the danger of debt default, Powell said it is the Congress that decides on how much the debt ceiling should be marked at. Inflation is coming down. That's super important. So the the interest rate hikes aren't being raised as fast. The last time we got a 25 BPS hike, the markets were super bullish. Once again, we're seeing the markets rise because of Fed Chair Powell's speech. And once again, it is an encouraging sign from the crypto market, like this article says, guys. It's gonna take, you know, some time for us to see the effect for Tonic's price, guys, because how it normally happens is that it starts with the big cap projects. There's a lot of big caps that are absolutely sending. Then we move into mid caps and then low caps, right? So it's really just patience. But all in all, markets are looking very bullish. We could see more and more retail start to come back in slowly and surely. The bears are going back into hibernation, and you know, now it's really up for the Tonic team to keep pushing, keep doing more and more things to get Tonic out there, deliver on the utilities of the project, be more active with the community, and you know, trying to get partnerships that truly, you know, larger partnerships that could see the future for DeFi. Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. Really appreciate it. You guys are the best. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Tonic and myself is in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.